Tricentis Neoload Online Training. Maximizing Performance Testing with Tricentis Neoload, a comprehensive guide. Maximizing Performance Testing with Tricentis Neoload, a comprehensive guide. Tricentis Neoload is a powerful tool for performance testing that allows organizations to simulate real user behavior, assess system performance, and ensure the scalability of applications under varying load conditions. It is designed to help performance engineers quickly identify bottlenecks and performance issues, delivering fast, actionable insights into system behavior. Below is a comprehensive guide on how to maximize performance testing using Neoload. 1. Understanding Neoload's capabilities. Load generation. Neoload can simulate virtual users, VUs, interacting with the application to replicate traffic patterns and assess performance under load. End-to-end testing. Neoload supports end-to-end testing, covering the entire application life cycle, from user interactions to backend services. Integration with CI/CD. Neoload integrates seamlessly with popular CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, Bamboo, and TeamCity to run automated performance tests during development cycles. Comprehensive reporting. The tool provides detailed analytics, including response times, throughput, error rates, and system resource usage. 2 key steps in maximizing performance testing with Neoload. A. Define test objectives. Before starting performance testing, set clear objectives for what you intend to measure and optimize. Common objectives include load testing. Evaluate how the system performs under normal and peak load conditions. Stress testing. Determine the system's breaking point and observe how it recovers. Scalability testing. Assess how the system scales under increased traffic. Endurance testing. Test system stability over extended periods of continuous use. B. Designing performance test scenarios. To design effective performance test scenarios, consider the following. Realistic user behavior. Simulate actual user behavior by using data-driven testing, where user actions are based on real-world usage patterns, example, login, browsing, search. User profiles. Create different user profiles to test various user types, such as heavy users, light users, and admin users. Distributed load. Simulate traffic from multiple geographical locations to understand the application's behavior under distributed conditions. C. Script creation and virtual user simulation. Recording user journeys. Use Neoload's recording feature to capture real user interactions with the application. This allows you to create test scripts that simulate user actions. Parameterization. Use dynamic data inputs to replicate varied user interactions, such as different usernames, search queries, or product selections. Correlation. For scenarios involving dynamic data, like session IDs or authentication tokens, use Neoload's correlation features to capture and reuse values between requests. D. Load generation and test execution. Define load profile. Specify the number of virtual users, the ramped-up period, how quickly users are added, and the duration of the test. Run test in stages. Start with a smaller load and gradually increase it to simulate real-world scaling. This helps identify performance issues as the load increases. Exploring Tricentis Neoload's advanced features for load testing success. Tricentis NeoLoad is a powerful tool designed for load testing and performance monitoring of applications, especially for complex enterprise environments. Exploring its advanced features can help ensure a successful load testing process, delivering insightful performance metrics and optimizing user experience under stress conditions. Here are some key advanced features of NeoLoad that can help you achieve load testing success. 1. Smart Load Generation. Virtual User Load Models. NeoLoad allows you to create realistic user behavior by simulating complex load scenarios. You can use advanced scripting capabilities to model how users interact with the application, considering session handling, dynamic data generation, and think times. Dynamic load distribution. NeoLoad can dynamically adjust the load distribution across different test agents to optimize the utilization of available resources, ensuring balanced load generation. 2. Real-time analytics and reporting. Live monitoring. NeoLoad provides real-time monitoring of test execution, enabling you to track response times, throughput, and error rates as the test progresses. This allows for immediate identification of potential bottlenecks or performance issues. Custom dashboards. Users can create customized dashboards to visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, providing insights into the application's performance during load tests. These dashboards can also be shared with stakeholders for collaborative analysis. 3. Advanced protocol support. Wide range of protocols. NeoLoad supports a variety of protocols such as HTTP, WebSockets, SOAP, REST, databases, and more. This allows testing across diverse applications and infrastructures, from web apps to APIs and backend systems. Cloud and hybrid testing. NeoLoad enables you to integrate cloud-based infrastructure for load generation, making it possible to simulate traffic from various geographic regions and handle large-scale testing scenarios. 4. Distributed load testing. Scalable load testing. NeoLoad supports distributed testing by allowing the distribution of virtual users across multiple test agents. This helps simulate large-scale user traffic and stress test applications at a global scale. Cloud integration. You can scale up tests easily by leveraging cloud environments, example AWS, Azure, to simulate high traffic loads without needing additional infrastructure. 5. Automatic test scenario generation. Record and replay. NeoLoad provides an intuitive record and replay functionality where real user interactions can be captured and transformed into load test scenarios automatically. This feature is especially helpful for quickly creating complex tests without manual scripting. Dynamic test creation. With NeoLoad's AI-powered capabilities, it can suggest and create test scenarios based on real user behavior, optimizing the testing process by focusing on the most critical paths and interactions. 6. Integration with continuous integration (CI) tools. CI/CD pipeline integration. NeoLoad integrates seamlessly with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, and Azure DevOps. This enables automated performance testing as part of the software delivery pipeline, ensuring that performance issues are identified early in the development life cycle. Test automation. Automating load tests helps speed up the process and ensures that tests are consistently run whenever new code is pushed, without manual intervention. 7. Cloud load testing. Cloud load generation. Neoload can generate load from multiple geographic locations by leveraging cloud resources, simulating real-world traffic conditions across different regions and networks. How Tricentis Neoload revolutionize application performance monitoring. Tricentis Neoload is a powerful tool for application performance monitoring, APM, revolutionizing how organizations monitor, test, and optimize the performance of their applications. Here are several ways Neoload enhances APM. 1. Real-world load testing. Neoload allows organizations to simulate real-world traffic and test applications under various load conditions. By generating realistic user behavior, it provides accurate performance insights, helping identify potential bottlenecks or weaknesses in applications before they affect users. 2. Automated testing and continuous integration. Neoload integrates seamlessly with continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD, pipelines. This integration allows automated performance testing with every code change, ensuring that performance issues are detected early in the development cycle. This helps teams continuously monitor application performance and avoid costly performance regressions. 3. End-to-end visibility. Neoload provides detailed, end-to-end visibility of application performance. It can monitor everything from the backend infrastructure to the user interface, helping to pinpoint where issues occur in the application's architecture, whether it be in databases, APIs, or other components. 4. Dynamic test design. Neoload's dynamic test design allows testers to quickly create tests based on real user traffic and automatically adjust them as the application evolves. It also supports dynamic scaling, allowing tests to handle fluctuations in load without compromising accuracy. 5. Cloud and hybrid environment testing. Neoload supports testing in cloud and hybrid environments, making it suitable for modern applications that run on distributed architectures. By simulating traffic across multiple geographical locations, it enables organizations to ensure the scalability and resilience of their applications in a global context. 6. Real-time monitoring and analytics. Neoload offers real-time monitoring and detailed analytics to track key performance metrics, such as response time, throughput, and error rates. It provides visual insights into the performance of different application layers, helping teams quickly detect and address performance degradation. 7. Scalability testing. Neoload is designed for large-scale performance testing. It can simulate millions of virtual users, enabling organizations to understand how their application will perform under peak load. This scalability ensures that applications are well prepared for high traffic volumes. 8. Detailed reporting and insights. With Neoload, teams can generate detailed performance reports that are easy to understand. These reports provide in-depth analysis, helping stakeholders identify trends, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. The ability to export these reports ensures seamless communication across teams. 9. API monitoring. Neoload also monitors APIs, which are crucial for modern web applications. By analyzing API performance and ensuring that they can handle high traffic loads, Neoload helps businesses avoid disruptions caused by slow or unreliable APIs. 10. Collaboration features. Neoload fosters collaboration between performance engineers, developers, and operations teams. It provides shared dashboards, facilitating team alignment and faster issue resolution. By combining performance testing, real-time monitoring, and deep analytics, Neoload revolutionized application performance monitoring by empowering teams to proactively optimize and scale their applications for peak performance. Tricentis Neoload, the key to efficient and scalable performance testing. Tricentis Neoload is a powerful performance testing tool designed to help organizations ensure that their applications and systems can handle the required traffic loads under various conditions. It provides key features that make it an efficient and scalable solution for performance testing. Key benefits of Tricentis Neoload. Comprehensive load testing. Neoload supports testing across multiple protocols, including web applications, mobile apps, and APIs. It can simulate complex user behaviors and provides a rich set of metrics to measure application performance under load. Realistic traffic simulation. The tool helps simulate real-world user behavior by allowing testers to configure user journeys, adding complex behaviors such as parameterization, correlation, and dynamic data input. Scalability. Neoload is designed to handle testing at any scale, from small apps to large enterprise systems with millions of users. It leverages cloud infrastructure to scale tests easily, supporting both on-premises and cloud-based testing. Ease of use. With its intuitive user interface, Neoload simplifies the setup of performance tests. Non-technical users can quickly design and run performance tests, while advanced users can fine-tune complex scenarios. Integration with DevOps. Neoload integrates seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines, enabling continuous performance testing. This makes it an essential part of DevOps workflows, ensuring that performance issues are detected early in the development process. Advanced analytics. Neoload provides deep insights into application performance with detailed reports, visualizations, and trend analysis. It helps teams identify bottlenecks, resource utilization issues, and performance regressions. Cloud and hybrid testing. Whether testing a cloud-based application or a hybrid environment, Neoload offers the flexibility to deploy tests in a cloud or hybrid architecture. This ensures compatibility with modern distributed applications. Collaboration and reporting. It enables collaboration among teams by sharing results and reports. Stakeholders can access detailed analysis of performance test results, which helps in decision-making. Use cases for Neoload. Web and mobile applications. Ensuring web and mobile applications can handle peak user loads without compromising performance. APIs and microservices. Testing the scalability of APIs and microservices in distributed architectures. Cloud applications. Evaluating the performance of cloud-native apps and services under stress and load conditions. CI/CD integration. Incorporating performance testing into continuous integration and delivery pipelines for early performance validation. Why Tricentis Neoload is the best choice for load testing modern applications. Tricentis Neoload is a powerful tool for application performance monitoring, APM, revolutionizing how organizations monitor, test, and optimize the performance of their applications. Here are several ways Neoload enhances APM. 1. Real-world load testing. Neoload allows organizations to simulate real-world traffic and test applications under various load conditions. By generating realistic user behavior, it provides accurate performance insights, helping identify potential bottlenecks or weaknesses in applications before they affect users. 2. Automated testing and continuous integration. Neoload integrates seamlessly with continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD, pipelines. This integration allows automated performance testing with every code change, ensuring that performance issues are detected early in the development cycle. This helps teams continuously monitor application performance and avoid costly performance regressions. 3. End-to-end visibility. Neoload provides detailed, end-to-end visibility of application performance. It can monitor everything from the backend infrastructure to the user interface, helping to pinpoint where issues occur in the application's architecture, whether it be in databases, APIs, or other components. 4. Dynamic test design. Neoload's dynamic test design allows testers to quickly create tests based on real user traffic and automatically adjust them as the application evolves. It also supports dynamic scaling, allowing tests to handle fluctuations in load without compromising accuracy. 5. Cloud and hybrid environment testing. Neoload supports testing in cloud and hybrid environments, making it suitable for modern applications that run on distributed architectures. By simulating traffic across multiple geographical locations, it enables organizations to ensure the scalability and resilience of their applications in a global context. 6. Real-time monitoring and analytics. Neoload offers real-time monitoring and detailed analytics to track key performance metrics, such as response time, throughput, and error rates. It provides visual insights into the performance of different application layers, helping teams quickly detect and address performance degradation. 7. Scalability testing. Neoload is designed for large-scale performance testing. It can simulate millions of virtual users, enabling organizations to understand how their application will perform under peak load. This scalability ensures that applications are well prepared for high traffic volumes. 8. Detailed reporting and insights. With Neoload, teams can generate detailed performance reports that are easy to understand. These reports provide in-depth analysis, helping stakeholders identify trends, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. The ability to export these reports ensures seamless communication across teams. 9. API monitoring. Neoload also monitors APIs, which are crucial for modern web applications. By analyzing API performance and ensuring that they can handle high traffic loads, Neoload helps businesses avoid disruptions caused by slow or unreliable APIs. 10. Collaboration features. Neoload fosters collaboration between performance engineers, developers, and operations teams. It provides shared dashboards, facilitating team alignment and faster issue resolution. By combining performance testing, real-time monitoring, and deep analytics, Neolode revolutionized application performance monitoring by empowering teams to proactively optimize and scale their applications for peak performance. Unlocking the full potential of Tricentis Neolode for real-time performance insights. Tricentis Neolode is a powerful tool for performance testing that helps organizations ensure their applications deliver optimal user experiences under various conditions. Unlocking its full potential for real-time performance insights involves utilizing its advanced features, integrating with other tools, and applying best practices in performance testing. Here's how you can maximize Neolode for real-time insights. 1. Real-time monitoring and metrics collection. Live monitoring. Neolode provides real-time performance monitoring during test execution. You can track response times, error rates, and throughput as your tests run, providing immediate insights into system behavior under load. Custom dashboards. Neolode allows you to create custom dashboards with detailed graphs and metrics tailored to your specific testing needs. You can monitor real-time performance across different servers, databases, or services in the architecture. Integration with third-party monitoring tools. Neolode integrates with monitoring tools like AppDynamics, New Relic, and Dynatrace. This enables a more comprehensive view of application performance by correlating load testing metrics with system performance data. 2. Continuous integration, CI, and DevOps integration. CI/CD pipeline integration. Neolode integrates with Jenkins, Bamboo, and other CI/CD tools, enabling automated performance testing as part of your development pipeline. This ensures that performance insights are available continuously throughout the development lifecycle. Real-time feedback. By integrating Neolode with CI/CD tools, you can receive real-time feedback on performance bottlenecks and issues as developers push new code or changes. This helps you quickly identify and address performance problems early in the development process. 3. Cloud and hybrid testing. Cloud load generators. Neolode supports cloud-based load generation through integrations with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, enabling you to simulate realistic traffic patterns from various geographical locations. This helps in understanding how your application performs in real-world conditions. On-demand scalability. Using cloud resources, you can scale your load tests on demand, generating the traffic required for accurate testing without the need for on-premise infrastructure. 4. Advanced analytics and reporting. Real-time data analytics. Neolode provides detailed analytics during test execution, helping teams understand how their application is performing in real time. It also generates detailed reports at the end of a test, showing trends and correlations that provide deeper insights. Root cause analysis. Neolode's advanced analytics can help identify performance bottlenecks by providing granular details about where issues occur in the application, such as in the database, application server, or network layer. 5. Scriptless test design with smart virtual users. Smart virtual users. Neolode features an intuitive interface for designing performance tests without needing to write complex scripts. This allows you to quickly model realistic user behavior and test various use cases with ease. Scenario creation. You can define real-world scenarios, such as user journeys and interaction patterns, to simulate how real users will behave in a live environment. This improves the relevance of the insights you gain from the tests. TriCentis Neoload and continuous testing, enhancing your DevOps workflow. TriCentis Neoload is a powerful performance testing tool designed to integrate seamlessly into DevOps workflows, especially when implementing continuous testing practices. By utilizing Neoload within your DevOps pipeline, you can achieve faster feedback, improved quality, and enhanced collaboration across development, testing, and operations teams. Here's how Neoload enhances continuous testing in a DevOps workflow. Key features of Neoload in continuous testing. Automated load testing. Neoload supports automated load testing, which ensures that performance testing is continuously integrated into the CI/CD pipeline. This allows teams to detect performance issues early in the development cycle, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring the application's scalability before release. Seamless CI/CD integration. Neoload integrates smoothly with popular CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, and GitLab. This integration ensures that performance tests are automatically triggered during each build, providing developers with immediate feedback on performance changes after each deployment. Cloud-based and hybrid testing. Neoload supports both cloud-based and on-premises testing, making it versatile for diverse environments. Cloud testing allows for scalable performance tests that can simulate traffic from various geographies, improving the accuracy of your tests for global users. Real-time performance metrics. Neoload provides detailed, real-time performance monitoring and reporting. This feature enables developers and testers to identify bottlenecks, optimize resources, and ensure that applications meet performance requirements under real-world conditions. Continuous feedback and reporting. Neoload delivers comprehensive performance test reports that can be integrated into your DevOps dashboards. Teams can monitor results continuously, enabling proactive performance optimizations rather than reactive fixes after deployment. Support for microservices and APIs. With Neoload, performance testing extends beyond just traditional applications. It supports microservices architectures and APIs, allowing for end-to-end testing of distributed systems, ensuring that every component functions well under load. Collaboration between dev, test, and OPS teams. Continuous testing with Neoload fosters collaboration between development, testing, and operations teams. By providing performance insights early in the development process, teams can work together to resolve issues before they become critical in production. Benefits of integrating Neoload into DevOps continuous testing. Early detection of performance issues. By running performance tests in every sprint, teams can detect and resolve issues before they impact end users. Faster release cycles. With continuous testing, feedback is instantaneous, enabling teams to release high-quality software faster. Improved collaboration. Neoload fosters collaboration between cross-functional teams by providing shared insights into the application's performance. Cost efficiency. Early performance testing helps avoid costly fixes in production, reducing the risk of downtime or poor user experience. Enhanced scalability and stability. Continuous testing ensures that applications are scalable and stable, even as they evolve. Why choose Pro Excellency for TriCentis Neoload online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Tricentis Neoload online training can offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs industry experts with hands-on experience in neoload and performance testing. Their deep knowledge ensures quality instruction. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers essential neoload concepts, including test design, scripting, load testing, and advanced techniques. The curriculum is often updated to stay current with neoload's latest features. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency provides flexible online training options, allowing learners to take classes at their convenience. This makes it easier for professionals to balance training with their work schedules. Hands-on practice. Training often includes practical exercises, helping students get real-world experience in setting up and running neoload tests. This hands-on approach enhances learning. Certification preparation. ProExcellency prepares students for certification exams related to neoload, offering valuable guidance and resources to help you achieve industry-recognized credentials. Customer support. ProExcellency is known for providing excellent customer support during and after the course. Students can reach out for help with queries or difficulties they encounter in learning neoload. Positive reviews and testimonials. Many users report positive experiences with ProExcellency's training services, making it a trusted choice for performance testing and neoload education. Affordable and value-driven. ProExcellency offers competitive pricing for their courses, ensuring that learners receive high-quality training at a reasonable cost. Thank you.